Hey guys, it's Omar with ABC Austin Service Express here from Austin, Texas. Just want to show you that the work we did today. We ran some drain lines. They didn't have any drains, so we ran the drain. As you can see, we came out of here, put some 2x4s at the bottom with a protective covering at the bottom, and we ran it here. You can see this. We brought this other one. We also brought this other one to connect here, but then we went from 1 inch to 1.5 inches for the water. You can see they all got couplings on top. And coming on this way, it connects here, This other one over here connects there also to the same one. It goes to the back. There's some drains in the back. If you follow me this way, we got another one over here. It goes by itself, so we put it by itself. You see here. Come out, turns over there, then it goes to the drain. Again, this is Omar with ABC Austin Service Express. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com, 512-448-0532, or just look at the link at the bottom. Okay. Again, we do air conditioning, refrigeration, walk-in coolers, freezers, ice machines, any refrigeration, vent hoods, makeup air. We service, sell, install everything. We also do some leasing on some refrigeration and ice machines. Okay, give us a call again at 512-448-0532. Again, this is Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, serving Austin and surrounding cities. Austin, Texas. Thank you. Bye-bye.